All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. It is the SXT model. It's beautiful white with black two-tone interior. It's got like a leatherette with suede inserts. Only 37,000 miles on this vehicle. And best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Your front hood looks pretty good. What is this? That heavy scratch here, about 2 inches. Another one here, about 1 inch. This fender looks pretty good. Here's your front front driver's rim. Very nice LC curbing. Tire thread. Over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty darn nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice LC curbing. Tire thread. Just under 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It's a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. It does come with 1 key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Boom, you got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. Very nice. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. As you can see, it does have a tire pressure light on. And your mileage, if you can show up there, it is a 37,551. Looks good. Open up the trunk and the door. Boom. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise in your third row, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. You got rear running ACs and AC controls right there. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. These seats do fold forward as a stow and go. Got a little power button there. Closes this the lift gate, which looks pretty darn good. Here's quarter. Looks pretty good. Does have a dent here with some paint off about 6 inches. And it's got another dent over here, some paint off about 4 inches. All right, here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here. And your tire thread is over 730 seconds. The sliding door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise in your third row, no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Got a little power button here, closes that door. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Like I said, got the leather with the suede type of insert right there. And this fender looks good. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice. Tire thread, under 730 seconds, above 4. Lights are working, car is running, things are beautiful, folks. Once again, this is a beautiful 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT model with 37,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.